We are here at Margaritaville in Rio Grande, Puerto Rico. It is actually a separate part of the Rio Mar Hotel, albeit a little bit nicer. So this is a one-bedroom pool view suite. I believe it's 850 square feet. We've got a nice full kitchen with dishwasher, full oven, full fridge, fully stocked with dishes, soup and food not included, of course. And you got some nice plastic cocktail glasses to take to the pool, and fancy little Margaritaville margarita maker machine. Coffee pot. And all your utensils, whatever you need. So walk out here. You can pay more to book a room with a view, but to be honest with you, all the rooms on the north side of the hotel face the pool and the ocean. If you're on the south side, you could be looking at the golf course and the parking lot. But we didn't pay for the view of the room, and we still got this amazing view. This is one of 3 pools. This is the Margaritaville pool. Music starts playing about 10 in the morning until 10 at night. Usually open to 11, but with COVID, things are closing down a little bit early. Coming back in. Now we'll go to a separate bedroom. Very, very comfortable king mattress. Excellent sheets. High thread count. And then we've got our other second bedroom balcony right here. And then if you go in here, we got plenty of closet space. And going in the bathroom right here. Just looking back in there. Bathroom. And then walk-in shower. See if I can get the light on here a little. Oops. I don't know how good you can see with this light, but it's ample space in here. Very nice place. Spent 2 weeks here, and we don't want to go home to Maine where it's still cold, but it's summer here in April. And that's Margaritaville.